Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm back with a little phrase that you might be able to use in your home life. And it starts with kua, and then this is po, because the AU is always au, 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 rhyming with aho, myself, I, rhyming with the ko in kauri, rhyming with the mo in maunga. So this is po, kua po, and po means used up. Te, the, kai, food, and kua is about something that has happened. So the food has been used up. The food is finished, basically. We've used up all the food. The food is completely used up. Kua po te kai. Kua po te kai. And I thought you might like that little phrase. If all your food's been used up and you need to go to the supermarket, you can say kua po te kai. Ka kite.